In this guide, we are going over the ultimate guide and tips and tricks for Sorcerer Incremental on Roblox. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is a jujitsu, inspired incremental game where you roll for cursed techniques, clans, weapons, and energy while training to become the strongest sorcerer. The first thing that I want to mention is the easy bonuses. If you like the game and join the, Roblox group, this actually gets you some extra rewards and will boost you in-game as well. From here, you can also open up the shop, and then you're going to see a whole option to, redeem different codes. If you don't see it in the shop itself, you may need to go just directly to this code section. If there's any active codes, you can go ahead and redeem them as much as possible because this will get you free rolls, boost, and resources, which will help you progress really quickly, especially early on. I'll try and link some of these down in the pinned comment. But after you do that, go ahead and focus on training your cursed energy. This is going to be in the train section, and you're also going to have options in the home tab as well. This is by far one of the most important stats in the entire game because it increases your overall power and can help you defeat way stronger enemies. As you progress through these story arcs, you'll fight cursed spirits and bosses. Defeating those bosses in the fight enemy section right here will also go ahead and reward you with ally scrolls, which can provide powerful buffs for your team. You should also take advantage of the passive systems in the game. Use meditation to collect clan scrolls over time and try excavation to find rare loot and items. Another important mechanic is the AFK and idle system. When you do log off, your character can continue progressing, which will help you grow stronger without constantly playing. As long as you're powerful enough, you'll be able to start climbing the ranked modes as well and participate in hourly raids, and these raids are a lot easier if you do team up with your friends since this is a co-op game. Finally, if you do hit a progression wall, use reincarnation, which will reset your progress and give you permanent multipliers, allowing you to reach much higher tiers on your next run. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.